from the local station. News 4 Jax starts now.
Right now at 5, a push for change after a 2-year-old died in a local retention pond. Now the child's family is suing the apartment complex where it happened for negligence. That lawsuit claims the apartment management knew the retention pond where the little girl drowned didn't meet industry standards, but didn't do anything about it.
Yes, so Musiq Jackson-Dye is the little one who died back in October at the Paradise Island Apartments on Jacksonville's south side. News 4 Jax reporter Marilyn Parker is joining us now. Marilyn, the attorneys say they repeatedly reached out to the apartments to make changes.
Yes, they even offered to hold off on filing that lawsuit if the apartment would make changes. And look, they say it's as simple as putting a fence around a retention pond, similar to what you see here. Now, granted, this is on public property, but those attorneys say this is a simple step that could change and save a child's life. Just look at their faces. There is a constant ache in this family.
Not a day that I don't miss music.
This mother says every day she visits her 2-year-old, not at school or the park, but at the cemetery. Her daughter, Musiq Jackson-Dye, drowned back in October. Sky 4 flew over the retention pond at the Paradise Island Apartments where it happened. Jordan says she's spoken with the apartments about getting something done, but says nothing's changed.
I'm here today with my lawyer, so this won't happen to nobody else, child.
They filed this negligence lawsuit Tuesday, alleging the apartments failed at maintaining, monitoring, warning residents of the dangers, training employees, and getting inspections done to the retention ponds. Additionally, they say the apartments knew of problems but didn't address them.
They don't follow the law.
It's going to be asked in court, was the child being watched when this happened?
Drowning prevention requires layers of protection. And property owners and managers, because they have the money, because they have the resources, because they have the know-how, are absolutely expected and legally bound to make sure they have their layers of protection in place in order to protect a child from getting access to a body of water.
Data from the National Drowning Prevention Alliance finds 88% of children drown with at least one adult present. They say drownings can happen in as fast as 30 seconds, and it's the single leading cause of death for children 1 to 4 years old. The attorney points out how pools have barriers and locks around them, so why can't retention ponds? He also mentions how the slope of the retention pond doesn't meet industry standards to protect children, the elderly, or anyone from serious injury.
They are in a superior position to make sure that all of the children that enter their community are protected from the known risks posed by their retention pond, and they ignore it.
The family went back to the retention pond and laid flowers for Musiq, hoping no other families have to experience this and live with the pain they do. And we want to share these 5 steps from the National Drowning Prevention Alliance. The first, they believe open water should be closed in, like with barriers or fences. Second, there should be close, competent, and constant adult supervision anytime a child is in the water. Third, know how to swim and enhance those skills. Fourth, use a life jacket. And fifth, learn the basic water rescue skills and have a phone ready to call 911. Now, we did reach out to the apartment complex and the owners of the apartment complex for a comment, and we're waiting to hear back. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.